Welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm Ashley Michelle and I'm back with another install. And today we're installing this T-part wig from Bangjazz hair. I'm gonna have all of the information in the description box. If you want to go check it out, I encourage you to, because this hair was amazing. It was so full. But this is just the inside cap construction. T-part means you only get like literally a certain amount of part in space, and yeah. But it's 3 combs and then the adjustable straps in the back. So here y'all just seeing me like adjust, like make sure everything's fitting right, and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna perfect the part, because one thing about it, 2 things for sure: when you have a long straight black middle part, like if you got a bust down, you gotta make sure it's busting and it's down, okay? You gotta make sure it's doing what it needs to do. So here y'all just see me making sure, like, first of all, that the part is straight, and then I went and plucked these hairs, just pulled them straight out. Like, it took a little bit of muscle, but I pulled those out just to make sure, like, because look how much more natural that look. You want it to look as natural as possible. Like, if you got a bust down, it should really, for the most part, give traditional sewing. In my personal opinion, it's no reason why your bust down not giving sewing. I don't see no point in that. But oh, also, this hair was styled already. Like, I had straightened it and flattened it and all of that stuff, like the part and all of that beforehand. That's his own video. And I'm pretty sure that'll be up before this one, so I'm gonna put that in the cards right now. But here y'all just see me putting the makeup on there, and I want to talk about the other video just for a little bit. Y'all, I really highly encourage y'all to go watch it, because when I tell y'all this wig was flat at the top, like flat, I mean flat, like throw on, like look at that. I just threw it on, and this, well, first of all, give me a second to brush it. Stop judging me. But once I brush it out, it's gonna be flat. That's it. Like, it looks amazing. Okay. So after I cut off the ear tabs, I went and started to cut off the lace, and I did bleach the knots of this, or did I? Yeah, I did. I bleached the knots of this and plucked it. I didn't bleach the knots on camera, but the plucking was done in the video before this that I put in the cards. I'll put it up again here if it'll let me. But yeah. And since it's a T-part wig, I don't know, I really feel like I couldn't really do too much. Y'all seen how much part in space and how much lace space I really had. So I did what I could. But the end result was more than amazing, you know, as you saw. But yeah, all I did to keep this wig on my head, for real, was put in a comb in the back and do the adjustable straps. Like, not to the tightest setting, but like to the setting right for my head size. And y'all gonna see me in a couple of clips after I'm done cutting this lace off. I'm gonna be pulling on it to show y'all, like, it really wasn't going anywhere, and it's no glue. You see it's lit, like it's up. I got it pulled up right now. It's no glue, it's no gel, and look how melted it look. Nothing. Okay, it's absolutely nothing on this lace. I was like, what's the word? I was perplexed. I was like, wow, this really looks good. But yeah, so here y'all gonna see me pulling on it, like, and like, look, like, it's crazy. And I just lifted it up again, so it was nothing on this wig. It was fit so nice to my head. Like, this is definitely this hairstyle, nothing beats it. I don't care. Listen, add me if you want to. Nothing beats a nice black long middle part. Nothing. So here I'm just gonna carve out my baby hairs, and I did very, very, very minimal baby hairs for this hairstyle, because when you got this type of hair, you don't need to do too much. You really just don't. You don't need to do too much. Like, if you want to, hey, but you don't have to. And I chose not to. So I'm gonna just put all of these back, and then I'm gonna let y'all watch me do the trial and error with my baby hairs, and realize now I didn't need to do too much. Okay, so now that my baby hairs are done and they look good, I'm going in and doing just a little bit of styling, a tiny bit of styling, like literally a little bit, because like I said, this was already styled and all of that stuff off of camera in a different video. So what I'm doing is, because this was sitting on a wig head for like a couple days, maybe a week, so I was like, let me just go through and give her a nice, you know, a little bit of press, a little bit of oil. I took a little bit of my Cheese Silk Infusions. That's really like my favorite serum. It's really definitely one of my favorites. But I think I like that stuff more than BioSilk. I wouldn't lie. I wouldn't lie to nobody. But yeah, so I took that and I just ran that through the ends and the shaft a little bit. And then I just took big sections and did the chase method on both sides. And then after that, I was literally done. And then the rest of the video, for the most part, is just going to be me looking absolutely freaking gorgeous. I don't know what it is about long, straight black hair in the middle parts of me that like really, and I rarely say this about myself, that makes me feel and look so sexy. Like I'm not a sexy person, I don't like to think. Like I just feel like I don't have no sex appeal. I don't know why, I just really do honestly feel like that. But with this hair, it's sex appeal city. I feel like I'm a sex symbol with this hair. Like this is the sexiest hairstyle on me, to me. Like nothing beats it. And then I was showing y'all like the movement and stuff and how long it was. This is 24 inch. Yo, it was doing it for me. Like, look, I just love nice long hair. And I'm getting ready to go out tonight. I'm going like this tonight. Oh my goodness. See, look at the tongue. Like I knew I was sexy in this. And I never call myself sexy. I actually hate the word sexy. But this is sexy. I look sexy. Just give it up. Give it up, Ash. You look sexy. That's it. Just give it up. But yeah, and that was my makeup, because I had did like a updated makeup routine, because I was like, I don't want the video to be too short, but I cut that all out because it wasn't too short. It was fine. But if y'all want me to do my updated makeup routine, let me know. Let it go know, because I will. But yeah, and that's all I have to say, y'all. All of the rest of the video is just me looking cute. So I wanted to give everybody a big thank you for those who stayed to the end. Even those who don't stay to the end, thank you and I love y'all, but they don't really get to hear that. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video, and the next one, and the next one, and the next. I'm about to be annoying. Let me just stop. I'll see y'all in the next one.